Hi guys, my name is Farhan and this is my first video on YouTube. So let's see how it goes. And this is all about a few coins released in India recently. And this is the 1 rupee coin. I don't know whether you can see it properly or not. Let me just try and make it clear. I hope you can see it. There is some design around and it's relatively smaller in size when you compare it to its previous versions. I have one here. When you compare it to this one was released, let me see, a few years ago, and this is of 2009. Now I have this one and this is 2011 and it is really small in size. As you can see, I have a couple of more here. This is really small in size. I have a few other coins here. This is a 1 rupee coin and this is a 2 rupee coin. I don't think this is being manufactured or created anymore. And this is the 2 rupee coin which is being used commonly right now, and I believe we might see new coins here. Now I also have a 5 paise coin. This is of 1961 and I would just to compare the size of this coin with the new 1 rupee coin. It's almost the same size, as you can see. Let me just bring it near to the light and all. As you can see, it's almost the same size. I also have a 50 paise coin which is about the same size. Both are exactly the same size, and the thickness, as you can see, the one on the top is a 1 rupee coin and the other one is a 50 paise coin. So as you can see, I have coins here. This is a 10 paise coin and it is of 1993. I also have a coin of 1 rupee. This is a 1980 coin which was gifted to me by someone, my mentor, and he's a really good person. So this is a 1980 coin, a 1 rupee coin, as you can see. Let me just compare all the sizes. Let me just put them one upon the other. This is a 1980 coin and above that is, this is disturbing me, so this goes here. This is a 2009 coin, I believe, and this is the new 2011 coin. I'll also post some pictures around on my Facebook page, and as you can see, these are the differences. Let me just put them next to each other. Here they are. So quite good. Let me just zoom it for you. So here are the coins. So this is a 1 rupee coin and it's not pretty clear because this is being taken from a C7 phone, not mine, someone else, so just bear with me here. 1 rupee coin, and let me just make this light a bit dim so that we can actually see it in a better way. So can we, this is not really good. I have 3 of them. I just got back from shopping and I have a few 3. I also had a couple of more, so which I gave it to someone else. So this is again a 20 paise coin which I have, and this is a 1994 coin. This is a 1984 coin, 10 paise. So as you can see, coins are changing a lot. So starting from 1961 and then 1980, 1984, 1993, here it comes, 1993, and this is 2001, so it's a 1994 coin. Now we have, this one was 2009, this one 2001, and this is the new coin 2011. This is relatively smaller in size. I'll try and just put them up a couple of pictures more clear so you can see it. Here it is, 1 rupee coin. So that's it. That's all from my end. I just wanted to create a video about something, my first video, so I hope you like it, and you can just give me your feedbacks or anything, and if you'd like to know more about anything or me, just leave a comment. Thank you. Bye.